Hi, sixth grade. It's Miss Malavega here. Look at my pie hat. It's looking pretty great. Right now, I am going to go over the vocabulary for this section 1 of our new chapter, which is pretty exciting. It's called People and Culture. Chapter 4 starts on page 86. And I'm going over the vocabulary that's on page 88. I'm just going to go through the words very quickly and then go over their definitions. So the first vocab word that we have is culture, which is the shared attitudes, knowledge, and behaviors of a group. Anthropologist. I'm going to say that word again because it's a little hard to pronounce. Anthropologist, which is a scientist that studies nature. Ethnic group, a people that shares a language, customs, and a common heritage. Religion, an organized system of beliefs and practices, often centered on one or more gods. Language, human communication, either written, spoken, or signed. Language family, a group of languages that have a common origin. And the next background vocabulary, a word that's helpful for us to know in our section, is missionary, a person sent to do religious work in another land. So I'm going to go through the words again, that way you really understand what they are and what they mean. So culture, the shared attitudes, knowledge, and behaviors of a group. Anthropologist, a scientist who studies culture. Ethnic group, a people that shares a language, customs, and a common heritage. Religion, an organized system of beliefs and practices, often centered on one or more gods. Language, human communication, either written, spoken, or signed. Language family, a group of languages that have a common origin. And then our last word is missionary, a person sent to do religious work in another land. When you get your vocab sheet, your job is to make sure that you write down the definitions of each of these words. That way they sink into your mind and you really understand what it is that they're saying. That is the vocab for section 1 of our chapter, People and Culture, chapter 4. This is the vocabulary on page 88.